Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you want faster browsing, more privacy, and full control over your VPN setup, this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to create a V2Ray vMess server using UDP Custom and how to import it into the Dark Tunnel VPN app. It's simple, secure, and works great. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more VPN tricks every week. Let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your phone. Type UDP Custom in the search bar and hit enter. From the search results, tap the official UDP Custom website. New feature alert. We've added an AI assistant on the site. If you need help, just tap Start a Call to chat with our AI. It's super helpful. Now on the homepage, tap the menu icon, 3 lines on the top right. Then select V2Ray Slow DNS server from the list. You'll now see server options from different countries. Pick one that works best for you. You'll see a form to create your server account. Just do the following. Enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, tap Create Now. In a few seconds, your V2Ray server will be ready. You'll see all the details on the screen, including the vMess link or JSON config. Copy all the info. You'll need it in the next step. Now let's set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Play Store and search for Dark Tunnel VPN. Tap Install. Wait for it to finish, then tap Open. Once inside the app, tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, choose Config File, tap Import, select Clipboard. This pastes the server details you copied earlier. Now go back to the main screen and tap Connect. That's it. You're now connected to your own V2Ray vMess server using Dark Tunnel VPN. And you're done. You've just created a custom V2Ray server and set it up for secure and fast browsing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with friends who care about online privacy. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or chat with our AI on the website. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.